Very good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss 6th class maths assignment of 5th of December. So in this assignment we have two Romans. The first Roman is choose the correct one. In that question number 1 is 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. So if you can observe these two are having the same denominator. That is, these two are like fractions. When we are going to add the like fractions, just we can add the numerators, that's enough. So that 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7 is equals to 3 plus 2 by 7 is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 by 7. According to our option, the option 2 is the correct option. The second question is mixed fraction form of 17 by 5. So here the 17 by 5 is the improper fraction. We have the two conversions, improper to mixed fraction to improper fraction. So here the question is given improper fraction to mixed fraction. The 17 by 5 means the 5 is dividing 17. So that 5 3s are 15. 17 minus 5 is 2. Now we have that quotient, remainder and divider. So that mixed fraction form equals to quotient plus remainder by divider. So the quotient is 3, remainder is 2 by the divider is 5. So that 3 and 2 by 5 is the mixed fraction form of 17 by 5. So that according to our options, the second option is the correct one. After that, question number 3 is given, the 12 by 5 minus 7 by 5. As like the first question, these two are again like fractions. The addition of the like fractions or subtraction of the like fractions, just we can add or subtract the numerators. So that 12 by 5 minus 7 by 5 equals to 12 minus 7 by 5. If the 12 minus 7 equals to 5, 5 by 5 is equals to 1. So option 3 is the correct options from the given options. So after that, the question number 4 is improper fraction form of 1 and 3 by 4. Here the given mixed fraction is 1 and 3 by 4. So this mixed fraction we have to convert into the improper fraction, so that the formula for mixed fraction equals to denominator into, so that here improper fraction equals to denominator into whole part plus numerator by denominator. That equals to the denominator is 4, whole part is 1, numerator is 3. So that 4 into 1 plus 3 by 4. 4 1 is 4 plus 3 equals to 7 by 4. So our option is, second option is the correct one from the given options. So final question is 1 and 1 by 2 plus 2 and 2 by 3. Here we are going to add two mixed fractions. So that before going to add or subtract or multiply or divide the mixed fractions, first we should convert them into improper fractions. Later we have to proceed. So that 2 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. This mixed fraction conversion of into the improper fraction is 3 by 2. 3 to the 6 plus 2 is 8 by 3. Now these two are unlike fractions, so that we need to make them as like fractions, means we need to find out the LCM of 2 and 3. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So that now the denominator will be a 6. 2 3 is 6, so that 3 into that numerator 3 plus from the second fraction denominator 3 to the 6, so that 2 into the numerator of the second fraction, that is 3 3 is 9 plus 2 8 is 16. 9 plus 16 equal 25 by 6. According to our option, the first option 1 is the correct one. Next, second problem is given. Solve the following. In the question number 6 is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. See children, these two are having the two different denominators, means those two are unlike fractions. When we are going to add or subtract the unlike fractions, we should make them as like fractions. To in that process, we need to find out LCM of 5 and 3. So that LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So the 15 will make, we can as a divider, means denominator. That is, now in the first fraction with the denominator we have to divide the LCM. 5 3 is 15. So the 3 into the numerator of the first fraction plus 3 how much is 15? 3 5 is 15. That 5 into numerator of the second fraction. So the 3 2 is 6 plus 5 1 is 5 by 15. That is 6 plus 5 is 11 by 15. So after that, this one also same process. Here we have to find out 17 minus 20 minus 13 by 25. This is the question number 7. So that we need to find out the LCM of 20 and 25. LCM of 20 and 25. LCM of 20 and 25 is 100. So that 100 we have to take as a denominator. After that, we have to divide this 100 with the denominator of the first fraction. 25 is 100, so that 5 into the numerator of the first fraction. If the minus is given, then take minus 25 4 is 100, so that 4 into the numerator of the second fraction. 5 17 is 85 minus 4 30 is 52. 85 minus 52 is 32 by 100. After that, question number 8. 1 and 4 by 5 plus 2 and 4 by 5. These two are mixed fractions. Already I told you, when we are going to add or subtract or multiply or divide the mixed fractions, first we should convert them into the improper fraction. So that 5 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9 by 5. 5 2 is 10 plus 4 is 14 by 5. Now these two are like fractions. So that 9 plus 14 by 5. 9 plus 14 is 23 by 5. After that, 5 by 3 plus 4 by 3 minus 7 by 3. This is the question number 9. So when we observe these three fractions are having the same denominator as well. These three are like fractions, so that we can add the only numerator, that is 5 plus 4 plus minus 7 by 3. 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 7 by 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. The answer is 2 by 3. Next, question number 10 is, Neha bought a cake. She ate 7 by 15 of the cake immediately, and in the afternoon she ate the remaining part. How much part she ate in the afternoon? See, out of the whole part, she was ate immediately, means daytime, 7 by 15 of the whole. But we need to take the whole part is 15 by 15. Why? Because the cake was divided into 15 equal parts, so that equal number of equal parts are also 15. So 15 by 15 is equals to 1. That is whole part of the cake. So that the part of cake ate in the day by Neha equals to 7 by 15, and the whole part equals 15 by 15. The part of ate in the evening, that equals to whole part minus the part. So the part of cake ate in the evening is equals to the whole part minus the part which is ate by Neha at the morning time. That is 15 by 15 minus 7 by 15. These two are like fractions, so that 15 minus 7 by 15. 15 minus 7 is 8 by 15. So that the 8 by 15 part of she ate at the evening. By this one we have completed today's assignment. So children, let us meet in the next assignment. Thank you so much.